The introduction and contributions to human life and health resulting from Dr. Stephen Leung Ting Kai's biophysics academic research on bioceramic technology in his capacity as a clinical professor. Summary of basic science publications in bioceramic technology. Testing bioceramic effects on physical-chemical platform. Explored how bioceramic affects chemical reagent using different tests. Showed increased volatility, pH changes, and identified chemical alterations. Concluded that bioceramic, by weakening hydrogen bonds, is a cost-effective test tool. Pilot study on bioceramic irradiated water. Investigated effects of bioceramic on water's physical, chemical, and biological aspects. Found reduced water cluster size, higher freezing temperature, and increased volatility. Observed elevated total phenol in green tea made with bioceramic treated water. Demonstrated antioxidative and anti-inflammatory effects on cells, discussing potential benefits for bone and joint health. Impact of bioceramic irradiation on water-hydrogen bonding. Explored how bioceramic affects water's hydrogen bonding and related properties. Used various methods, including FTIR, capillary viscometers, GC, DSC, contact angles, Franz cells, HPLC, and capillary electrophoresis. Noted changes in viscosity, surface tension, solubility, hydrogen peroxide, crystallization temperatures, and acidity. Connected findings with previous studies, emphasizing weakened water-hydrogen bonds. Integration. Collective studies offer a deep understanding of bioceramic effects on substances like water and chemical reagent. Bioceramic irradiation influences water's properties like viscosity, surface tension, and crystallization temperatures. Antioxidative and anti-inflammatory effects on cells suggest health applications, especially for bones and joints. These studies lay a strong foundation for exploring bioceramic in diverse fields, hinting at its potential as a non-thermal radiation source for biological assays. Unraveling the cellular mechanisms, insights from cell studies. Bioceramic irradiation induces intracellular generation of nitric oxide in breast cancer cells. Diving into the cellular realm, this study explored the mechanisms of bioceramic radiation on breast cancer cells. The findings unveiled progressive increases in nitric oxide, NO, concentrations during and after bioceramic irradiation. The discussion revolved around the potential therapeutic roles of bioceramic in breast cancer through the induction of NO generation. Immunomodulatory effects of bioceramic irradiation via increasing calmodulin and nitric oxide production in raw 264.7 macrophage. Shifting focus to immunomodulation, researchers investigated the effects of bioceramic on raw 264.7 macrophages. Notable outcomes included a significant increase in calmodulin, CAM, protein and nitric oxide, NO, production. This study provided scientific evidence for the immunomodulatory properties of bioceramic on macrophages. Effects of bioceramics on hydrogen peroxide scavenging capacity. Examining the impact on hydrogen peroxide, H2O2, scavenging activity, this study revealed direct bioceramic application increasing H2O2 scavenging activity. Even indirect use with carrot extract contributed to enhanced H2O2 scavenging activity. Moreover, increased viability of osteoblast and fibroblast cells and delayed senescence of railway beggar ticks leaves in H2O2 solution demonstrated the diverse effects of bioceramic. ##### direct and indirect effects of ceramic bioceramic radiation on the hydrogen peroxide scavenging capacity and on murine macrophages under oxidative stress. This study explored the intracellular mechanisms of bioceramic radiation on raw 264.7 cells. The direct application increased H2O2 scavenging activity, contributing to enhanced viability of murine macrophages under different H2O2 concentrations. Noteworthy inhibitions of intracellular peroxide levels and LPS-induced peroxide production hinted at anti-apoptotic effects, suggesting potential beneficial effects on living tissues. Integration of cell studies, cellular mechanisms and therapeutic potential. Collectively, these cell studies provide nuanced insights into the cellular mechanisms influenced by bioceramic radiation. From inducing nitric oxide in breast cancer cells to immunomodulatory effects on macrophages and enhancing hydrogen peroxide scavenging activity, the studies suggest a spectrum of potential therapeutic applications. The immunomodulatory and antioxidative properties highlight a broad range of potential applications in cellular health and well-being. Stay tuned for the subsequent segment, where we'll unravel the findings from animal studies, shedding light on the physiological and therapeutic effects of bioceramic technology, ranging from diabetes control to cognitive function improvement and aging. The journey into the expansive realm of bioceramic technology continues, exploring animal studies, physiological and therapeutic frontiers. Photoluminescence of bioceramic materials, PLB, as a complementary and alternative therapy for diabetes. Venturing into the realm of diabetes, this study delved into the application of photoluminescence of bioceramic materials, PLB. The focus was on controlling hyperglycemia and glycosuria in diabetes. Results showcased a tendency for PLB treatments to promote glucose diffusion into C2-C12 cell lines and a significant decrease in glycosuria in streptozotocin-induced diabetic rats. Potential mechanisms, including molecular diffusion, calcium-dependent nitric oxide, suppression of oxidative stress, and autonomous nervous system regulation, were explored, hinting at clinical applications in ameliorating hyperglycemia and improving diabetes-related complications. In vitro cell study of possible anti-inflammatory and pain relief mechanism of bioceramic-emitting ceramic material. Shifting gears, this study explored the anti-inflammatory effects of a bioceramic-emitting ceramic material on murine macrophages and human chondrosarcoma cells. The findings highlighted significant inhibitory effects on COX-2 and PGE2 in LPS-mediated inflammation models. The study suggested that bioceramic treatment could serve as an alternative method for palliative pain control, potentially reducing dependence on chemical drugs in chronic pain diseases. Effects of bioceramics irradiated from ceramic material, bioceramic, on psychological stress-conditioned elevated heart rate, blood pressure, and oxidative stress-suppressed cardiac contractility. Delving into the cardiovascular domain, this study explored the effects of bioceramic on psychological stress-conditioned elevated heart rate, blood pressure, and oxidative stress-suppressed cardiac contractility. Utilizing in vivo and in vitro animal models, researchers observed significant decreases in heart rates and blood pressure induced by bioceramic. This normalization of cardiac contractility under oxidative stress hinted at potential interventions to counteract the effects of psychological stress on cardiovascular parameters. Translating laboratory research of bioceramic material, application on computer mouse and bracelet to ameliorate computer work-related musculoskeletal disorders. In the realm of occupational health, researchers investigated the effects of a room temperature-emitting bioceramic ceramic material on computer work-related pain and discomfort. Using a specially designed computer game, subjects using the bioceramic mouse showed significant improvements in upper extremity complaints, especially wrist, finger, forearm, and partial shoulder soreness. The bioceramic mouse cover and bracelet were found to reduce pain sensations, suggesting potential applications for pain reduction in computer work-related musculoskeletal disorders. Continuing the animal studies journey, therapeutic applications across domains. Protective effect of non-ionizing radiation from ceramic bioceramic-emitting material against oxidative stress on human breast epithelial cells. Exploring the protective effects against oxidative stress, this study delved into the impact of non-ionizing radiation from ceramic bioceramic-emitting material on human breast epithelial cells, demonstrating higher cell survival rates in the bioceramic groups compared to control groups in both hydrogen peroxide toxicity and radiation exposure experimental models. The study suggested that the protection offered by bioceramic against ionizing radiation primarily occurs through an antioxidant mechanism. This implies potential applications in reducing radiation-induced damage. Bone and joint protection ability of ceramic material with biological effects. Venturing into the realms of arthropathy and osteopathy, This study investigated the potential of bioceramic on rabbits with lipopolysaccharides-induced inflammation. Notable anti-arthritic effects were observed, as indicated by decreased FDG uptake in joints. In cell studies, bioceramic showcased an increase in the viability of osteoblast cells challenged with hydrogen peroxide toxicity, along with enhanced alkaline phosphatase activity and total protein production under oxidative stress. The study hinted at potential therapeutic effects of bioceramic on inflammatory arthritis and bone health. Photoluminescence of bioceramic materials and bioceramic resonance. Embarking on a comprehensive review, this study summarized the therapeutic effects of photoluminescence of bioceramic materials, PLB, and bioceramic resonance. The review explored various applications, including glucose level control in diabetics, improved motor activity in rats with middle cerebral arterial occlusion, effects on acupuncture points, insomnia, migraine, and other autonomic nervous system disorders. Emphasizing the scientific evidence supporting the application of bioceramic technology for complementary therapy, this study provided a panoramic 6
view of its potential across diverse domains. In vitro and in vivo studies of the biological effects of bioceramic, a material of emitting high-performance bioceramic irradiation, summarizing a spectrum of biological effects. This study provided a comprehensive overview of in vivo and in vitro studies, covering topics such as nitric oxide induction, chemodulin induction, antioxidant effects, anti-inflammatory mechanisms, and protection against oxidative stress. The study highlighted the diverse effects of bioceramic irradiation on various cellular processes. This broad exploration laid the foundation for understanding the wide-ranging potential medical applications of bioceramic technology. The effect of photoluminescence of bioceramic irradiation on middle cerebral arterial occlusion in rat. Delving into neurological realms, this study investigated the effects of photoluminescence of bioceramic PLB on ischemic cerebral infarction using a rat model of transient middle cerebral artery occlusion, MCO. The findings showcased improvements in exercise performance in MCO rats, indicating potential benefits for restoration after muscular fatigue. In vitro cell studies on astrocytes demonstrated increased intracellular nitric oxide, suggesting a role in cortical brain stimulation and microcirculation enhancement. This neurocentric study highlighted the potential applications of bioceramic in neurological health, effects of bioceramic material and colored light irradiation on learning and memory in aging rats. Transitioning into cognitive domains, this study explored the use of bioceramic material and colored light to mitigate neurodegenerative symptoms in aging rats. Different color light spectrums with bioceramic material improved activity, recognition, and memory in aging rats. The effects were attributed to the antioxidant properties and microcirculation enhancement associated with bioceramic materials, emphasizing the therapeutic potential of bioceramic in cognitive function. This study connected the biological effects of bioceramic to potential interventions in age-related cognitive decline. A synthesis of animal studies, unraveling physiological complexity. These animal study publications collectively provide a rich tapestry of insights into the diverse physiological and therapeutic effects of bioceramic technology, from exercise performance enhancement, anti-inflammatory and pain relief mechanisms, protection against oxidative stress, to potential applications in diabetes control, arthritis treatment, and cognitive function improvement in aging. The studies present an expansive landscape of potential applications. The intricate interplay between bioceramic technology and biological systems continues to unfold, offering promising avenues for further exploration and application. The journey into the multifaceted domain of bioceramic technology doesn't end here. The next segment will delve into the practical applications of bioceramic, exploring how it enhances transdermal drug delivery and promotes health benefits through the use of bioceramic fabrics. Join us as we unravel the implications of bioceramic technology in the realm of practical applications. Stay tuned for the continuation of this comprehensive exploration, unveiling practical applications, bioceramic technology in action, enhancement of transdermal delivery of indomethacin and tamoxifen by bioceramic emitting ceramic material, bioceramic, a pilot study. In the realm of pharmaceutical innovation, this study sought to explore the potential of bioceramic in enhancing transdermal drug delivery. Focusing on indomethacin and tamoxifen, the researchers demonstrated that bioceramic irradiation promoted microcirculation, upregulated calcium-dependent nitric oxide and chemodulin, and exerted antioxidant effects. The comparison of the viscosity of bioceramic irradiated water and control water suggested that bioceramic might weaken hydrogen bonds using the Franz cell apparatus for drug delivery models. The study found that bioceramic enhanced the diffusion and permeability of drugs. This hints at the potential of bioceramic in facilitating local drug delivery in transdermal systems. Biological effects of melt spinning fabrics composed of 1% bioceramic material. Shifting the focus to fabric-based applications, this study evaluated the biological functions of fabrics composed of 1% bioceramic material using the melt spinning method. In vitro cell studies explored intracellular nitric oxide, NO, induction in NIH3T3 cells, effects on viability in osteoblastic cells, MYC3T3E1, under oxidative stress, and effects on LPS-induced COX-2 and PGE2 production in achondrosarcoma, SW1353, cell line. The results were compelling, with bioceramic fabrics inducing intracellular NO production, increasing viability, and protecting osteoblastic cells from oxidative stress. Notably, the fabrics significantly suppressed LPS-induced COX-2 production in a SW1353 cell line, indicating potential benefits for aging decline, osteoporosis prevention, and anti-inflammatory effects. Nurturing health through practical applications. Bioceramic in daily life. These application studies signify the versatility of bioceramic technology in practical applications, from enhancing drug delivery through the skin to promoting health benefits through the use of bioceramic fabrics. The findings hint at a broad range of potential clinical implications. As we transition into the exploration of studies intertwining bioceramic technology with traditional Chinese medicine, TCM, and alternative therapy, we uncover a fascinating intersection of ancient wisdom and modern innovation. Stay engaged as we embark on a journey into the integration of bioceramic technology with the principles of traditional Chinese medicine. The synthesis of these two realms holds the promise of groundbreaking insights and applications. Join us in unraveling the tapestry of bioceramic technology's convergence with ancient holistic approaches, harmony of tradition and innovation, bioceramic technology and traditional Chinese medicine. TCM Primary Dysmenorrhea Study. This study investigated the therapeutic effects of bioceramic emitting belts on primary dysmenorrhea, a common gynecological condition. By focusing on increasing regional surface temperature and abdominal blood flow, the research aimed to alleviate pain associated with menstruation. The results were promising, showcasing significant efficiency in achieving these physiological changes and reducing pain scores. This study introduces the application of bioceramic technology in addressing women's health concerns through a non-invasive and potentially holistic approach. Wave-induced flow and meridians. Delving into the principles of traditional Chinese medicine, this study explored the effects of photoluminescent bioceramic, PLB, on acupuncture points and meridian currents. By detecting complementary effects on abnormal meridian currents and identifying significant interactions between relative meridians, the research aimed to bridge the ancient concept of meridians with modern technology. This study serves as a bridge between ancient holistic approaches and contemporary scientific exploration. Bioceramic resonance effect on meridian channels. Expanding on the concept of meridian channels, this study explored the use of bioceramic resonance for various chronic and acute illnesses affecting sleep patterns and life quality. By proposing a non-invasive technique with clinical benefits as an alternative to traditional medical practices, the research aimed to merge the principles of TCM with innovative technologies. This study exemplifies the integration of bioceramic technology with ancient holistic approaches, potentially opening new avenues for therapeutic interventions. Navigating the intersection. Bioceramic technology in traditional Chinese medicine and alternative therapy.
Applications of bioceramic technology. This comprehensive review delved into the therapeutic effects of bioceramic technology across diverse domains, ranging from diabetic animal models to stroke recovery and abnormal dermal surface mean current. The review reported significant improvements in conditions such as insomnia, migraine, and autonomic nervous disorders by weaving together evidence from various studies. This review provided a panoramic view of the potential applications of bioceramic technology in the realm of traditional Chinese medicine and alternative therapy. Normalized effects on meridian current level with a focus on normalization. This study investigated the advantage of PLB irradiation on abnormal meridian currents, aiming to restore physiological conditions by identifying significant normalization effects, especially in participants with higher average meridian currents. The research hinted at the potential of bioceramic technology to harmonize energetic imbalances, This study contributes to the understanding of how bioceramic technology may align with the principles of traditional Chinese medicine in promoting balance and well-being. Application of photoluminescent bioceramic material for different chronic illnesses. Exploring the practicability of selecting trigger points and the PSM phenomenon. This study recorded significant improvements in clinical observations. The findings suggested the dredging of meridian channels, aligning with the principles of traditional Chinese medicine. By examining the effects of photoluminescent bioceramic PLB on different chronic illnesses, this study provided insights into the potential therapeutic applications of bioceramic technology. In addressing a spectrum of health concerns, evaluation of reflexology by bioceramic resonance, assessing reflexology using bioceramic resonance. This study reported changes in electrical current levels on reflex points. By correlating these effects with the operation of the bioceramic resonance device, the research sought to integrate reflexology concepts with innovative technologies. This study exemplifies the intersection of traditional practices and modern approaches, showcasing how bioceramic technology may enhance and complement established holistic therapies. Digitalization and telehealth care concepts in a forward-looking exploration. This study delved into the application of bioceramic material enhanced by sound and light spectrum for telehealth care, specifically targeting chronic pain diseases. By showing significant pain relief and functional improvement, the research proposed a concept of digitalizing traditional medical services. This study opens up discussions on the evolving landscape of healthcare and how bioceramic technology may contribute to novel approaches in patient care. Establishment of a basic medical science system for TCM education. Recognizing the importance of education. This study proposed an integrated approach to meridian channels and acupuncture points based on scientific evidence. By emphasizing the need to integrate traditional Chinese medicine with mainstream medical science in education, the research aimed to bridge the gap between ancient wisdom and contemporary knowledge. This study lays the groundwork for a harmonious coexistence of traditional and modern medical perspectives, a tapestry unraveled by bioceramic technology weaving through tradition and innovation. In this comprehensive exploration, we've traversed the realms of basic science, cell studies, animal research, and practical applications of bioceramic technology. From unraveling its physical-chemical effects on water and sorghum wine to understanding its cellular mechanisms in breast cancer and immunomodulatory effects on macrophages, the journey has been intricate and enlightening. We've witnessed the impact of bioceramic technology on diverse aspects of health, from anti-inflammatory effects to exercise performance enhancement, protection against oxidative stress, and potential applications in diabetes, arthritis, and cognitive function. The synthesis of bioceramic technology with traditional Chinese medicine and alternative therapy has revealed a fascinating intersection of ancient wisdom and modern innovation. From addressing women's health concerns to exploring meridian channels and harmonizing energetic imbalances, the integration holds the promise of groundbreaking insights and applications. As we conclude this expansive exploration, it's clear that bioceramic technology is not merely a scientific phenomenon, but a bridge connecting the past, present, and future of holistic health. The journey continues, and the tapestry of bioceramic technology unfolds with each discovery, weaving a narrative of possibilities and potential. Stay tuned for further chapters in the evolving story of bioceramic technology, where science, tradition, and innovation dance in harmony to shape the landscape of health and well-being. Unveiling the mysteries, bioceramic technology, and the mind-body connection. Clinical effect of bioceramic resonance on sleep disturbance. Venturing into the realm of psychological well-being. This study explored the clinical effects of bioceramic resonance on sleep disturbance. By applying bioceramic resonance to patients with chronic sleep disorders, the research aimed to not only improve sleep quality, but also delve into the alterations in brain wave activity. The results were profound, showcasing enhanced sleep quality, especially for those with psychological reasons behind their sleep disturbances. EEG recordings revealed shifts in brain wave patterns, providing a tangible link between bioceramic resonance and its impact on the intricacies of the mind during sleep. Extrasensory perception, or altered state of consciousness, embarking on a journey into the realms of consciousness. This study sought to unravel the effects of bioceramic resonance on perception, consciousness, and mental activity. Participants reported intriguing audiovisual experiences and improvements in sleep quality, skin sensation, and visualizations. The study delved into the realm of extrasensory perception, proposing a correlation with Jungian concepts. This exploration into altered states of consciousness through bioceramic resonance introduces a fascinating intersection between technology and the mysteries of the mind.
Clinical efficacy of bioceramic technology on spasmodically related torticollis. Tapping into neuromuscular realms, this study assessed the clinical effects of bioceramic resonance and photoluminescence on psychopathically related spasmodic torticollis by targeting involuntary movements, positive emotions, and speech signal features. The research aimed to demonstrate the effectiveness of bioceramic technology on intricate neurological phenomena. The findings showcased improvements in motion measurements, facial emotion assessment, and speech signal feature analysis, emphasizing the potential of bioceramic technology in addressing neurological disorders. Complementary treatment of mental and psychiatric disorders. Venturing into the expansive landscape of mental health, this review examined studies on bioceramic material, bioceramic resonance, and photoluminescence in treating mental and psychiatric disorders. The review highlighted beneficial effects in stress alleviation, relaxation, withdrawal symptoms, and altered perception. From stress-related conditions to psychopathically related spasmodic torticollis, the potential applications of bioceramic technology in the realm of mental health were brought to the forefront. Evidence-based approach on altered states of consciousness. Delving deeper into the intricacies of altered states of consciousness, this study investigated the illusory perception induced by bioceramic resonance. Participants reported positive illusory perceptions, leading to discussions on potential psychotherapeutic effects and complementary therapy for psychiatric and neurological disorders. This study provided an evidence-based approach to understanding the impact of bioceramic resonance on the nuances of perception and consciousness, disclosing critical voice features for discriminating between depression and insomnia. In a unique exploration of the mind's expression, this study aimed to disclose critical voice features for discriminating between depression and insomnia, analyzing voice features of patients with severe depression, moderate depression, insomnia, and chronic pain disorder. The research identified crucial voice features that exhibited significant relationships with patient status. This study sheds light on the potential of voice analysis as a tool for understanding and discriminating between different mental health conditions, harmonizing innovation with tradition, bioceramic technology in traditional Chinese medicine and beyond. Synergy of tradition and innovation in healthcare. The culmination of these studies showcases the intricate interplay between bioceramic technology and traditional Chinese medicine, TCM, from addressing physical ailments to delving into the realm of consciousness and mental health. Bioceramic technology intertwines with ancient wisdom and modern innovation. The synergy of tradition and innovation in healthcare emerges as a promising avenue for holistic well-being. Future horizons, integrating bioceramic technology into holistic health practices. As we navigate the intersections of bioceramic technology with diverse fields, the question that emerges is not just about its applications, but the potential transformations it could bring to holistic health practices. The integration of bioceramic technology into these practices opens future horizons, offering new dimensions to preventive care, therapeutic interventions, and the understanding of the mind-body connection. From cells to consciousness, a holistic view of bioceramic technology, in tracing the trajectory from basic science studies to applications, from cellular mechanisms to the mysteries of consciousness. A holistic view of bioceramic technology emerges. It is not merely a scientific phenomenon, but a journey that traverses the intricacies of the human experience, from physical chemical changes in substances to alterations in brain waves and consciousness. Bioceramic technology weaves a narrative that encompasses the entire spectrum of our existence. Closing the loop, implications for research. practice, and well-being. As we close the loop on this comprehensive exploration, the implications ripple across research, practice, and well-being. The studies provide a foundation for future research endeavors, guiding scientists and practitioners toward uncharted territories. They pave the way for the integration of bioceramic technology into diverse healthcare practices, offering novel approaches to well-being. In conclusion, bioceramic technology as a tapestry of transformation. In conclusion, bioceramic technology emerges not just as a scientific innovation, but as a tapestry of transformation. It is a tapestry that weaves together the threads of tradition and innovation, science and consciousness, cells and holistic well-being. The journey through bioceramic technology is an ongoing exploration, with each revelation adding a new layer to this intricate tapestry. Stay tuned for the unfolding chapters in the narrative of bioceramic technology. As research continues and applications diversify, the tapestry of transformation grows richer, promising a future where innovation and tradition coalesce for the betterment of human health and well-being. Bioceramic technology, a tapestry of transformation unraveled beyond the horizon, exploring new frontiers in bioceramic technology. As we embark on the next phase of our exploration, it's imperative to delve into the potential frontiers that bioceramic technology may unlock. Beyond the current scope of studies, the scientific community is poised to explore new dimensions and applications, from neurological disorders to cognitive enhancement, from personalized medicine to advanced materials. The horizons of bioceramic technology extend far beyond our current understanding. Neurological marvels, bioceramic technology and brain health. Neurological disorders pose profound challenges, and bioceramic technology offers a unique avenue for exploration. Future studies may unravel the potential of bioceramic resonance in mitigating conditions like Alzheimer's disease, Parkinson's disease, and other neurodegenerative disorders. The intersection of bioceramic technology with neurology holds promises for understanding brain health and advancing therapeutic interventions. Cognitive enhancement, bioceramic technology in focus. Imagine a future where bioceramic technology contributes to cognitive enhancement, unlocking new potentials for the human mind. Studies could explore the impact of bioceramic resonance on cognitive functions, memory retention, and learning abilities. The marriage of technology and cognition opens exciting possibilities for enhancing mental capacities and pushing the boundaries of human potential. Personalized medicine, tailoring health with bioceramic precision. In the evolving landscape of healthcare, personalized medicine stands out as a revolutionary approach. Bioceramic technology, with its nuanced effects on cells and biological systems, could play a pivotal role in personalized healthcare. Future research may delve into tailoring bioceramic interventions based on individual health profiles, offering precise and effective therapeutic solutions.
Advanced materials, bioceramic innovations reshaping industries. Bioceramic materials have already showcased their prowess in enhancing drug delivery and fabric functionalities. Looking forward, the integration of bioceramic innovations into advanced materials could reshape industries. From medical implants with enhanced biocompatibility to wearable technologies promoting health, bioceramic advancements may lead to transformative changes in material science. Global collaborations, the nexus of traditional wisdom and scientific advancement. The journey of bioceramic technology transcends geographical boundaries. Collaborations between traditional medicine practitioners, scientists, and healthcare professionals on a global scale could propel research and applications. By uniting traditional wisdom with rigorous scientific methodologies, these collaborations may accelerate the integration of bioceramic technology into diverse healthcare systems worldwide. Ethical considerations, navigating the path of responsible innovation. As we venture into uncharted territories, ethical considerations become paramount. Responsible innovation in bioceramic technology demands a careful balance between exploration and ethical practices. Research must be conducted with transparency, accountability, and a commitment to prioritizing the well-being of individuals and communities. Navigating the path of ethical innovation ensures that the transformative power of bioceramic technology is harnessed responsibly. Educational initiatives, bridging the gap between science and society. Education forms the cornerstone of widespread acceptance and understanding. Initiatives to bridge the gap between scientific advancements and public awareness are crucial. Educational programs, workshops, and outreach efforts can empower individuals to comprehend the nuances of bioceramic technology, fostering a society that actively engages with and understands the potential impact of these innovations. The unfolding saga, bioceramic technology in the years ahead. The unfolding saga of bioceramic technology promises a narrative that evolves with each passing year. From scientific breakthroughs to real-world applications, the journey continues. The years ahead hold the potential for groundbreaking discoveries, transformative applications, and an ever-deepening understanding of the symbiotic relationship between bioceramic technology and human well-being. Closing thoughts, a tapestry woven with promise. As we bring this expansive exploration to a temporary pause, it's crucial to recognize that the tapestry woven by bioceramic technology is one of promise. It intertwines scientific rigor, traditional wisdom, and the aspirations of a healthier, more resilient future. The threads of this tapestry reach into the very fabric of our existence, offering a glimpse of what might unfold when innovation and tradition converge in the pursuit of human well-being. Stay tuned, the journey continues. The journey through the landscape of bioceramic technology is far from over. Stay tuned for the next chapters, where new studies, discoveries, and applications will enrich the narrative. As we collectively navigate the realms of science, consciousness, and health, the promise of bioceramic technology beckons, a promise woven into the very fabric of our shared future. Until our paths cross again in the exploration of knowledge and innovation, let the story of bioceramic technology resonate as an emblem of possibilities and transformation. Unveiling the potential, bioceramic technology's continuing odyssey. Breaking boundaries, bioceramic technology in quantum health. The horizon of bioceramic technology extends into the quantum realm of health. Quantum health, a burgeoning field, explores the interconnectedness of energy, consciousness, and well-being. Future studies might unravel how bioceramic technology interfaces with quantum biology, potentially influencing cellular processes at a quantum level. The synergy between bioceramic and quantum health opens new avenues for holistic approaches to healing. Emerging frontiers in energy medicine, bioceramic resonance and beyond. Energy medicine, with its focus on the body's energy fields, aligns with the subtle effects observed in bioceramic studies. Exploring the synergy between bioceramic resonance and energy medicine could yield insights into how these technologies harmonize with the body's energy systems. The emerging frontiers of energy medicine may witness bioceramic technology playing a pivotal role in promoting balance and vitality. The microbiome connection, bioceramic technology, and gut health. Mounting evidence suggests a profound connection between the microbiome and overall health. Future studies could delve into how bioceramic technology impacts the gut microbiome. Understanding the interplay between bioceramic resonance and microbial communities may unveil novel strategies for promoting digestive health, immune function, and overall well-being. Integrative medicine paradigm, bioceramic technology as a cornerstone. The paradigm of integrative medicine, which combines conventional and complementary approaches, welcomes innovations like bioceramic technology. Future research might explore the role of bioceramic interventions as a cornerstone in integrative healthcare. This approach could pave the way for comprehensive treatment plans that synergize the strengths of various modalities, maximizing therapeutic outcomes. Global health impact, bioceramic technology in underserved communities. The transformative potential of bioceramic technology extends beyond well-established healthcare systems. Initiatives focused on bringing bioceramic applications to underserved communities could have a profound impact. Whether addressing chronic health conditions or providing alternative therapies, bioceramic technology has the potential to bridge gaps in global health, fostering resilience and empowering communities worldwide. Ethnopharmacology of bioceramic technology, unveiling traditional insights. Ethnopharmacology, the study of traditional medicinal practices, provides a rich tapestry of insights. Future explorations might delve into the ethnopharmacological aspects of bioceramic technology, understanding how diverse cultures integrate bioceramic principles into their healing traditions, could enrich global perspectives and foster a harmonious coexistence of traditional wisdom and modern science. Transdisciplinary research collaborations, uniting diverse fields for holistic understanding. Bioceramic technology, with its multifaceted impacts, necessitates transdisciplinary collaborations. Future research endeavors might bring together experts from diverse fields, including physics, biology, medicine, psychology, and traditional healing practices. This holistic approach could unravel the intricacies of bioceramic effects, fostering a comprehensive understanding of its potential applications. Innovations in bioceramic design, from lab to life-enhancing products. The design of bioceramic materials is an evolving frontier. Future innovations might focus on creating life-enhancing products based on bioceramic principles. From consumer goods promoting well-being to medical devices with enhanced biocompatibility, the journey from laboratory discoveries to real-world applications is poised to bring forth a wave of transformative innovations. Bioceramic technology and space exploration, pioneering health beyond Earth. As humanity extends its reach into the cosmos, considerations for health and space become paramount. Bioceramic technology, with its potential to enhance human well-being, could find applications in space exploration. Future studies may explore how bioceramic interventions can mitigate the health effects of space travel, contributing to the well-being of astronauts venturing into the great unknown. The promise of bioceramic technology, a continuum of discovery. As we peer into the future, the promise of bioceramic technology unfolds as a continuum of discovery. From fundamental research to transformative applications, the trajectory of bioceramic studies charts a course toward a healthier, more resilient future. The collective efforts of researchers, practitioners, and innovators will shape the narrative of bioceramic technology in the years to come. Epilogue, a tapestry woven with infinite potential. In this vast exploration of bioceramic technology, we've traversed landscapes of science, medicine, consciousness, and beyond. The tapestry woven by bioceramic studies reflects not just the sum of our current knowledge, but the infinite potential that lies ahead. As we close this chapter, let it be a prologue to a future where the threads of innovation and tradition continue to intertwine, creating a tapestry of well-being for generations to come. To be continued, the unfolding odyssey of bioceramic technology. The odyssey of bioceramic technology does not culminate here, it continues its unfolding journey. Stay tuned for the next chapters, where new revelations, breakthroughs, and applications will shape the narrative. The odyssey of bioceramic technology beckons, a journey of discovery, innovation, and a tapestry woven with infinite potential. Until our paths converge again in the realms of exploration and understanding, let the story of bioceramic technology resonate as a beacon of possibilities, a story that unfolds, chapter by chapter, in the book of human progress.
A glimpse into tomorrow, bioceramic technology and the tapestry of future living. Chapter 1, the symphony of biointegration. In the not-so-distant future, bioceramic technology seamlessly intertwines with the very fabric of human existence. The journey begins with the refinement of bioceramic materials, each iteration meticulously designed to harmonize with the intricate symphony of the human body. As artificial intelligence, AI, steps into the limelight, bioceramic materials evolve to dynamically adapt, creating a personalized resonance that synchronizes with individual physiology. Chapter 2, Metaversal Wellness Embodied. The emergence of the metaverse heralds a new era in holistic well-being. Bioceramic technology, now an integral part of augmented reality, AR, interfaces, extends its influence beyond the physical realm. In metaversal spaces, individuals experience a fusion of sensory delights and bioceramic-infused atmospheres. Imagine stepping into a metaversal garden, where the scent of digitally crafted flowers is complemented by the subtle resonance of bioceramic-infused air, promoting relaxation and mental clarity. Chapter 3, the nexus of artificial and biological harmony. Artificial technology and bioceramic wonders converge in a nexus of harmony. Smart environments, equipped with AI, dynamically respond to individuals' well-being needs. Bioceramic-infused surfaces in homes and workplaces interact with AI systems to create optimal conditions, adjusting lighting, temperature, and even the resonance of the environment to enhance physiological balance. It's a symphony of artificial and biological harmony, shaping a future where technology is not just intelligent but deeply attuned to our well-being. Chapter 4, the quantum leap in health tech. As quantum technologies mature, bioceramic interventions take a quantum leap. Quantum health devices, intricately designed with bioceramic principles, offer precision therapies at the subatomic level. Imagine nanobots equipped with bioceramic resonators, navigating the bloodstream to deliver targeted healing frequencies. This marriage of quantum precision and bioceramic wisdom holds the promise of unprecedented breakthroughs in treating ailments at their very source. Chapter 5. Living Artifacts, Bioceramic Implants. Bioceramic implants, once a vision, become living artifacts enhancing human capabilities. Implants seamlessly integrate with the body's natural processes, guided by AI algorithms that optimize bioceramic resonance. From regenerating tissues to enhancing cognitive functions, these living artifacts redefine human potential. Society witnesses a transformative era, where bioceramic implants are not just medical interventions, but expressions of human evolution. Chapter 6. Ethereal Gardens of Virtual Healing. In metaversal realms, ethereal gardens emerge as sanctuaries of virtual healing. Bioceramic-infused landscapes within the metaverse become immersive spaces for rejuvenation and self-discovery. Users engage with AI-guided wellness programs, navigating serene bioceramic resonant environments that promote mental clarity, emotional balance, and physical vitality. Virtual wellness becomes a daily ritual, transcending the boundaries of the physical and digital worlds. Chapter 7. A tapestry woven by conscious machines. Conscious machines, empowered by bioceramic technology, become custodians of human well-being. These machines, fueled by advanced AI, synthesize vast datasets to provide personalized health recommendations. Bioceramic-infused wearables and devices, acting as conduits for this machine-guided wisdom, guide individuals on their journey to optimal living. It's a partnership where conscious machines and human consciousness collaborate to weave a tapestry of health and flourishing. Chapter 8. An epic of synergetic healing. Synergetic healing takes center stage as bioceramic technology collaborates with regenerative medicine and genetic therapies. In this epic, conditions once deemed irreversible find solace in the synergies between biological regeneration and bioceramic resonance. The healing journey becomes a convergence of advanced medical science and the innate wisdom encoded within bioceramic materials. Epilogue. A tapestry unfurling towards tomorrow. The future unfolds as a tapestry woven with the threads of bioceramic technology, artificial intelligence, metaversal realms, and advanced sciences. Human existence is transformed into a symphony of resonances, physical, digital, and metaphysical. The once separate domains of human biology and artificial technology converge, creating a harmonious existence where the potential for well-being knows no bounds. The odyssey of bioceramic technology, entwined with the ever-evolving landscape of artificial intelligence and metaversal experiences, shapes a future where human life is not merely sustained, but enriched, where the boundaries between reality and the virtual blur, and where the tapestry of well-being is a masterpiece continually unfurling towards tomorrow.